I'm Damen from Washington State. Internet searches. So I've dreamt of having an oven for like years and years and years, and I was just browsing online to find what I felt was the best one, and found you guys' website, and all the helpful videos kind of led me towards it. The thing that made me decide to buy your wood-fired oven kit was the helpful videos. In looking at all the other kits that were out there, yours was definitely pretty. I liked the flue gallery and the precast of it. I thought that just made a really nice look to it, but the tipping point was all the videos. I am not like a super handyman, and having those there really helped me out. Oh yeah, the ordering process was really easy. I don't know whether I spoke to you in person. I think I did when we asked a few questions about the wood-fired ovens. Directed me to the website, put the money in through PayPal. Everything worked just fine. Everything was packaged in there. It was in a large crate. I'm actually going to repurpose the crate for a chicken coop. Oh, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Quality is amazing. It came to me, everything was solid construction. The kit was easy to work with and use, but the quality of it it's great. I love working with it. I love cooking in it, and it's just a ton of fun to use. Being here in the United States on the Pacific Northwest, time difference between Australia was really the only issue. Every time I called, either left a message or sent an email, you called back. You were there to answer my questions, really helpful. Didn't have any real issues as far as getting customer service. That's actually one of the things I think you guys did really well, was customer service and answering questions. If you've got the means, you've got the money, and you're interested, I'd say do it. It's a fun project to build, and it's a great toy to have in the backyard. My wife would like me to add that it is more than just a pizza oven.
Yes.
You could cook bread in it, you've got roasts, you've got a lot of different foods. My kids absolutely love chocolate pizza that we put in there, so we can make desserts in it as well. That, and it's just kind of fun to get the fire going, leave the door open and sit around. It's almost like having a little campfire in the backyard.